Avalanche price prediction. In the last 24 hours, the price of AVAX has dropped by -1.01%. Last week at this time, the price of Avalanche was $8.82. In the past week, it has changed by 3.77%, and it is now worth $9.15. In fact, AVAX has dropped by -1.01% in the last 24 hours. On the crypto market, there is a little bit of a gloomy mood. Long term, however, people are still optimistic, and AVAX could reach $14.89 in 2024. At the time this piece was written, the total amount of Avalanche in circulation was 354,157,757.19, and the market cap of AVAX stayed at $3,238,824,791. A price analysis of AVAX. Since the beginning of April 2022, AVAX's weekly chart has shown a downward trend, with $75.46 and $29.30 serving as important support and resistance levels. Price prediction for an Avalanche. The year 2021 has been busy for Avalanche. To make the current AVAX price prediction easier to understand, we've split it into two parts: the short-term AVAX price prediction and the long-term AVAX price prediction. At the time this story was written, $132,849,094 worth of AVAX was traded. In the last 30 days, the price of Avalanche has gone down by -12.01%. In the short run, our analysis shows that the average price of AVAX will be $15.82 in November 2023, and the highest price that could happen in November 2023 is $16.93. Also, our long-term research shows that the average price of AVAX in March 2024 will be $12.79, and the highest price that could happen in March 2024 will be $13.69. Short-term price prediction for Avalanche. Date average cost most expensive to least expensive. September 30th, 2023. $9.28, $8.63, $9.92. October 1st, 2023. $9.41, $8.75, $10.07. October 2nd, 2023. $9.54, $8.87, $10.21. October 3rd, 2023. $9.64, $8.96, $10.31. October 8th, 2023. $10.43, $9.70, $11.16. October 13th, 2023. $11.39, $10.59, $12.19. October 23rd, 2023. $13.84, $12.87,